Alright, so we're going to be installing the Procharger tune now, because I got the file from Procharger this morning. And so we're going to be installing that in the Jeep here. I'm just waiting for the tuner to load up. There we go. Alright. So... Alright. So, I connect the Entune programmer to your PC and open in the Entune drive. I already did that. Number 9, connect the Entune programmer to the OBD2 port located below the steering column. Did that. Download the modified tune from the Entune programmer to your vehicle. Okay, so we're going to select Tune Vehicle. Okay. Got that done. Continue. Alright, so select Advanced Tune. Install Custom Tune. See, I'll just tune select, I'm assuming. Install Custom Tune. There's the Procharger. Select Procharger. Use selected tune, yes.